Não, briga de galo. Oi, a minha irmã.
Minha irmã agarra aí a briga de galo, de pinto. Oi? Oi.
Where did you get that?
I think you know.
Careful.
Una puzzona, sei una puzzona, che bel bagnetto.
Napkin and ate the cookie that was inside? Did you eat the cookie? Let me see those claws. Uh-oh.
Oh, you're trying to improve your health. My cuddles are more effective. Bet this mud skipper is wondering if evolving to walk is worth it.
Porcelana.
Oh, he's coming around this way.
High five. Put her there. Give me some skin.
Go. I take a nap anywhere I'm at.
What are you doing? Why are you still peeing? Magno! Nick, come here. Come here. Let's get a treat. No! Oh shit! No!
He's got his eyes on it.
Who's a good girl?
Hello. Ow!
Apparently, yoga is better with dogs involved.
It's like a little puppy. Oh my gosh.
What do you call
Tucker, place.
How your dog helps you get a brand new jacket.
What what's going on? Oh, don't fall over. Oh. Kona, what are you doing? You wanna get it? Go get it.
Ladies, I'm the boss, and the boss never serves others.
Go get it. Go get it. Go. You mad? I can't believe that I threw that in. I'm sorry.
Why are you running like Oh my god!
Pops a tornado with a built-in human track and be like, where can we hire this mowing crew? Good boy.
Atlas.
Atlas.
He's gonna choke on it, don't let him. Can I have it?
I want to just cut it up for you, bud.
Thank you.
They just gonna listen real quick. Oh, come on. Dramatic.
No, you jumped over these double big.
A German Shepherd dog.
What are you?
A German Shepherd dog.
Garbage can. Please?
No!
Hey buddy, I can't let you outside.
Get hurt.
Hi, baby.
Why would I call the cops? Somebody broke into my house. That's evidence. That's witnesses.
Luffy, stay. Stay!
What are you doing?
Playing monkey in the middle with your dog goes wrong.
You'll need to change your door security.
Nope.
player, can you please stop chewing my wall? I know you want him.
I mean, then look at this then. I can't imagine a more beautiful thing.
It is true that dogs never let us down in terms of enjoying the game to the fullest.
Hello. You want to come over for a treat? I thought so. He's gonna drown himself.
Those animals are officially geniuses. If they blew your mind, smash that like button and subscribe for more.
Maggie. Hey, stop. Need your murder mitts?
Can I hire him to do chores at my house?
Hey! Give me back my blanket.
What happened to your eyes? Where are your eyes?
A stray dog walked into a store, picked up a stuffed toy, and people came together to buy it for him.
Why is it spicy?
Oh my gosh. Oh, good morning.
No, you jumped over these double big Gypsy.
That's going a bit far.
Promise you this. I'll always look out for you. That's what I'll do.
Stay on my seat. Gotta eat me a donut. You stay.
I told you it was a little kitty.
Oh
I thought it was a bobcat.
Dad, can we keep it?
Yeah, I see. That's a good baby.
It's like all open. It's not ready yet. Wait, you have to wait.
Every cat parent morning's basically a surprise episode of Who's Coming Over?
Make yourself at home.
That cautious side-eye looked like he was monitoring a dangerous criminal.
I can't do that.
steal a waffle? Did you?
Mày ชอบถ่ายรูปหนูว่าตอนที่หนูไม่รู้เรื่องอ่ะ
Your human must be thrilled to know you've been waiting this eagerly.
Bubba, I'm your friend. This is Bobby.
Golden Retriever.
Ooh. Curry.
Ai, sandali. Vai, só. Ó.
You stuck in the hammock again? Oh my god.
You. I did, okay? And you do not.
Where did you get that?
I don't think you know.
Careful.
Mira, ven, ven, ven. Sit. Sit. Oh yeah, I'm a...
Iconic symbol of the wild.
Oi!
O que vocês estão fazendo?
Oh.
É. Olha aí, gente. O outro tá só esperando a pedra. Quebrou. 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 Aí, ah, dá um pedaço aí, macho. Essa castanha aí.
Takes the big palm tree. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait.
Why are you stealing fries?
I'm like, oh, this is so cute. And Frank, what are you doing?
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
¿Cuál? Elige ropa. Elige tu ropita. Hoy va a elegir Doki su ropita del perchero. A ver, esa.
Ya no tú.
Oh, I got her!
Oh my god. We're doing laundry and he jumped in the dryer. Biggs, you need to get out.
Careful, I told you.
Oh, hold on. Don't panic. Oh, okay.
¿Qué, hijo? ¿Qué? ¿Comiste? No. Good girl. Oh, oops.
Hey! God damn it! What did you with your dishwasher done?
He made it. Let me see.
Even with a barrier, the connection feels real. Distance means nothing when curiosity's mutual.
Get it. Give me the pen. Get it. Come here. Yes!
Come on. She's gotta sleep, Papas. Come on. Come on.
I'm gonna move you down here.
Excellent massage service, but the waiting list is a month long.
You're not coming in. I'll grab your...
biggest concert of the year. Tickets were paid in premium grass and hat scratches.
¡Ay, Miguel! ¡Miguel!
Págame la renta. Págame la renta. Para eso.
Okay. Here you go.
Taken down. Oh, mounted. Side control. Going for the... Well, biting's not allowed, but here at Single Vision it is. We're allowed to bite here. We have teeth. We bite.
For a sleep addict, this is definitely an essential skill for getting some high-quality shut-eye.
To a bull terrier, self-care should always be a team sport.
Oh, hello.
Mimi? Kitty, kitty. Wow, your name is Kitty?
Okay.
And... Teet, 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 teet.
When expressions can say it all.
Извините, а какой-то что-то как будто бы обед будет, а то там 25 людей не кормленные, только я печенье с утра поел.
Morita, si voy a... Lo dejé abierto para lavarlo, no para que te metieras. Salte, salte.
If he could talk, he'd be asking for a one-way ticket to Alaska.
En mi refri, salte.
outside? What do you want? What? Please? Yeah, you're saying please. Now what? The door? Show me. Oh, you want to go out?
Wait.
Pretty little Malinois, you've got that gator's jaw. Some might think you're crazy.
No!
Hey, you wanna get in the tub? Can you get in the tub, baby? See ya.
You do? Why are you a mess? What did you get in?
Someone doesn't seem to want to be friends with a frog.
Și să mi-i pliculești cu iepure, că mi s-a luat somon și vită, mai du-te și...
That's probably the most energy this pug was willing to spend today.
Oh God!
He's gonna drown himself.
Gosta assim. Gosta assim, tá bom. Quando eu sair daqui.
You bitch! You motherfucker!
Così nella nube.